As you guys know, I love fitness and love working out. And a lot of the time I find I get small injuries or need my muscle to relax. The great thing is I've got the Renpho Active Massage Gun here today. Now, we've reviewed a number of different Renpho products. They help a lot with fitness, with exercise and making you get better. With this Renpho Active Massage Gun, we're actually going to review it today. We're going to unbox it, set it up, test it out, and let you guys know exactly how good it is. Now, straight away you can see it here in my hand. Now, we've got the case with it as well, which has all the different parts. So what you can do is it's got 5 different modes that you could put onto the massage gun. So it's as simple as putting it on there, screwing it in like that, and then you can start using it straight away by pressing the power button. So there it comes on. Again, this has got 1.5 hours battery life in it. Doesn't take long to charge, and it's got different modes. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go use this now, test it out, see how it works. There's the box there as well if you want to have a look at it. But as you can see, different muscle groups, different targeting, charging time. So we can't wait to see it. If you guys love Renpho products, check my links for the other Renpho products. We've done neck massages, scales, eye relaxation products. They're very, very good. Anyway, I want to get started on this now because you know what? I did a gym workout earlier. See how it feels, and yeah, enjoy the unboxing. Here we're unboxing the Renpho Active Massage Gun. You can see a bit more information about it just there. Nice packaging too. A bit more about the product details on the side there. And there's a bit more about the massage gun. Now we're going to different modes shortly. You can see it comes with 5 massage heads and a bit more about the force it does. And so we're going to get that shortly. But nice packaging as always with Renpho. Nice quality build. Now let's go and take a look and open up. So to start with, there's that massage case. So straight up, the thing I love about this massage case is it's all contained here. Sometimes you get massage guns and you've got all different types, bits and pieces everywhere. Renpho have contained it all in this package. So there's the front of it just there. So we can undo it and let's see what comes inside of it. Let's open it up. So here we are. So let's go and take a look at what we've got. So I want to start with looking at the actual massage gun itself. So there it is there. I'll move this to the side. So massage gun is where all the work's going to happen. So it uses USB-C charging, as you can see there. It can be charged, so it's 1.5 pounds, so it's actually very, very light, this massage gun. Now they say it gives power, it gives force up to 1.5 pounds, and the motor is as low as 45 decibels, so which is very, very good. It's got very, very long battery life as well. They say it can last up to a week for the battery life, and 10-minute charge gives you a lot of life. So let's go and have a look. I'll go a bit more details about it shortly. Let's go and see what else comes in the box. But again, very, very high quality build. So I'm going to take a look what comes in the box. So it comes with 5 different attachments. So what are these attachments? So we'll test them out shortly. We've got this one, which is a long, flatter one. You've got this one, which obviously is more for more precise massaging. You've got this one, which gives still flat again, but gives a smaller area. This kind of rounded one probably makes it a little bit softer, but allows you to kind of needle into the massage points. And you've got this, which is the dual one. And again, when we explore these, we'll show you guys how it works. What I like with this as well is it's good to have different massage types because you don't want the same one all the time. Your body gets used to it. And there's the cable. And here's a bit more about the actual instruction guide, how to set it up, and that as well to actually put between it. So if this comes off there, you've got spare ones. Let's go and actually turn it on and set one of these up. So I'm going to put on to start with, say, the round one. Why don't we start with that, guys? So I put in there. Now they say it's got 5 speeds from 1800 to 2800 RPM, which aids in different muscle groups. So I'm going to go and turn it on. I'm going to put this to the side. Again, lovely packaging. It really is an all-in-one kit. So there we are. So what do we have in the back here? So you've got the power. So when you put it on, you actually got to clip it in like this. Turn it in. See till it goes in. So it's now gone in there. So you've got the power on, power off button just there, which you can use. And you've got the, so there you've got the power on, power off button. So let's start it off. Let's turn it on. Just hold it down. So there you go. So it gives you battery charging straight away, 85%. It also gives you what mode it's set to as well. So that's low for it. So we press that and it should press that and start. So that's level 1. So you can see how it's working. So level 1, you can feel straight. But look, listen to start with how quiet that is. You can't really hear it, can you? Let's turn it up. Let's go level 2. So this goes between 1800 and 2800 RPM. Now I'm going to put this next to the microphone. You see you can barely hear that. It's really, really good. Press it again. Got level 3, level 4, then level 5. Back to level 1. So look at that. Look how quickly that's going. So that's the RPMs. You can see in the camera. Look at that. So it's really, really good. So that's all different modes. And then hold it down to turn it off. Good, powerful machine. Doesn't make too much noise. It doesn't move in your hand as you're using it as well. I'm really excited to start using this. So I'll actually go and turn it on and show you guys the different modes. Okay guys, how was that? Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. As you can see, it's a high quality massage gun. Very, very low noise. It feels good in the hand, but now I'm actually gonna go test it out actually on my body so you can see what it's like. So we'll start with that one we used originally, that one there, just to show you guys as well. They're the other different ones you could put onto top of it. So we're gonna try each one quickly, let you know, guys, know how it feels. Now, again, you turn it on by pressing that button there. Comes on. It says 80%, so that's the amount of charge left in the battery. Now it's on low at the moment. Let's go to level 1. So level 1 is the softest. So as you can see, there it is going there. So what you can do is you can start by maybe massaging on the neck. So, oh, I can really feel it. It's pumping right in there. Oh, so nice. Now, I've done a number of other massage guns in the past, and this straight away feels really good quality. I mean, even on the lowest setting, you can really feel it getting in there. Let's ramp it up a bit though. Let's go to level, so let's do here. Let's go level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. And look how fast it's going. It's going so fast, you can hardly even see it, like a helicopter blade. So if I put this into my back, let's see how it feels. Oh God, wow, that's incredible, guys. That's far stronger than a previous massage gun that I had. Now the thing with these is you can use it all over your body. You can use it in the neck, back of the neck. You can use it in the chest. So I get a lot of, I do lots of chest workouts. I get a lot of tightness in here. So you can put it in there, like that, and around the top of the shoulders. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and change what it's got on there. So you hold down the button, turns it off. Let's get the next one out. Let's go for the opposite one, the really small, intense one. So this one that really gets into your muscles. You can really target like the small pain points in there. So let's do that now. I'm gonna do it on, let's go for 1 maybe. I don't know, I'm feeling lucky, aren't you? Let's go for 2. So as you can see that? See how pointed that is? So you can pick something like your, just in your neck there. Now again guys, be careful when you start using it. You don't wanna just go and start smacking all different parts of your body. You wanna take it slowly and kind of target different parts and take your time with it. So if I go the back here, I'll show you guys actually. So if I turn around, see in here, if I go there, so you can, if you hold it like that, it's gonna hammer. So you just gotta soften into your skin, and you get right in there into the muscles. So guys, I can feel it getting, it's lovely, all around the back. Now this shuts off after 10 minutes as well, so you have to worry about going for too long. It'll let you know if you've been doing it for too long, but it feels lovely. I'm gonna switch it across now. Let's go for, hold that down. Let's try the other 2. So let's go I call it like the fork one with 2 thongs in it. This generally goes this way. As you can see, it locks in. So it's got a pin there, which kind of tells you where it locks in. So it locks in there. So it has got a little mark at the top of it. So it's horizontal there, and you hold this down again. Now this is good because it kind of like 2 fingers into your back. So like that. So like, see like that. So you put it there. And it can really, let's go a bit closer, show you guys. So, see that? See my muscle moving? See that? So it's actually stimulating my whole muscle. Oh, that's really good for the neck, actually. Oh, wow. I have to stop this video soon and start using the massager. But you can also use it for your back as well. So you can get in there, like your lower back, in here. You can also get in there for your bum as well. So you can get in there and massage like your bum cheek muscles. So I'm wearing pink shorts, but it's all about fitness at the moment. Oh God, you can feel it really getting into their glutes as well. So you can really feel the force in it. So guys, if you're using it, I'd start with level 1. It's a little bit softer. Level 5 is quite intense if you're used to using it. You've also got the ball that you can use, and you've also got like the flat, I call this the hammer. It looks like a hammer, so let's try that out quickly. So the hammer, turn it on. Turn it on. Okay, let's go 5 on it. Let's go dangerous, eh, guys? And again, look at that going. So there's a hammer. Now this is flat, so it's going to give you a lot more area when you're doing the massage. So, oh wow. So it's really getting in there. Now I had a cheap massager in the past, and this is, guys, 100 times better. I can really feel the massage getting in there. So I'm going to go and jump across now and actually just film me doing some massaging in some different spots so you can have a look. And after that, the video will end. But if you want to buy it, guys, there's links in the description below. So I had to find this other one. If you wish to purchase it, again, high quality massage device. I mean, that's why Renpho products are so popular. They're high quality, but well priced. Something very rarely you get these days in the marketplace. And let's turn this one on. And it's only use 5% of the battery there as well. So it lasts for an hour and a half. It's only just switched from 80 to 75. So it's really good.